Hey everyone, it's Derrick here with another video, and today we're talking about the Project Source 5-tier shelving that can hold up to 200 pounds. And this is about 48 inches wide, 72 inches high, so about 6 feet, and then 20 inches deep. So it's, you can see back here, I've set up a few already. So there are 2 already set up, and this is sort of what it looks like all put together. And it looks pretty good. Not too big of a fan of the yellow. I mean, they could have did something a little bit less conspicuous, but it doesn't look bad. But yeah, we're connecting these together. So that's another feature that it has, where you can connect all of them together. So if I wanted to put them all up against the wall here, I could do that. But at the moment, we have these hooked up here, and they're interconnected here, and I'm probably gonna place another one here. So I'm gonna set this one up and we'll take you along the ride and what we actually have to do here. So it's very, very simple, and basically anybody can do it. So I would say it's, you probably just need some pliers or maybe some scissors to cut off the zip ties, and then a hammer, and that's about it. So you want a soft hammer so that, or I guess they call it a mallet or something like that. And just to sort of give like a little tap to the top there and get everything in. But yeah, these seem pretty sturdy. So these are connected together, but again, it's all plastic and recycled plastic, which is one of the features that I did like. And yeah, it can also be recyclable, and it's not metal, so essentially it will never rust. And yeah, I've read some good reviews, some bad reviews, some, since it's a 200 pound shelf, it really can't handle 200 pounds on the highest shelves. It can mostly handle it on the lower shelves, which is sort of just common sense. And yeah, they can be interconnected together, so that's a really nice feature. We will show you what it looks like when we put all of the things that we have in here and sort it out onto these. We might end up buying maybe, now that I'm looking at the space and things that we have, I'm not so sure. We might need 1 more, and even 4 might do it, I think. And yeah, we'll see what it looks like, because we'll be able to clean up all of this stuff here that's in the middle of the basement. And it would be nice to have some walking room and see what it looks like again when we first bought the house, when this was all cleared out. So yeah, let's get started on this one and start by connecting these up, and we'll put in the plastic poles, and then yeah, we should be good. So these came with some kind of meh directions, but I didn't really look too deep into it because it came with a lot of parts. So you can see all the plastic pieces here. This is the thing to go on the bottom, where you can actually put these 2 pieces together and sort of twist it to make it taller or shorter if you have an uneven ground. So if your ground here is uneven and you want to make it even across the board, I think everything here is pretty good in terms of being level. But yeah, you can add these if you want to. I'm not going to. These are the tips. So at the top, we're just hammering these puppies in on the other one. So you just hammer these in on the top here. So, and then these, which I think I'm like 6 short. They only give you 4 of these per set that you get here, and I think they're supposed to give you 6, not 4. But these are the things that will connect. So we'll take you over here and line these up more, and there we go. So we want these lined up so that they're interconnected, so they're not going to go anywhere. And then for these here, for these, basically all you do is shove it in, and then we'll give it a little tap with the mallet. They go in a little bit this way, so you can see that it's a little bit thinner at the tip here, and that's where you want to shove it in to the bottom piece, I believe. And then, yeah, we'll move to the other side here. So let's just move here and just give it a little tap. Make sure you're aiming straight down. Should go down just a bit. And then we'll do it over this side.